Hi guys, now here we are going to see a pop-up effect which you're going to create in Photoshop. So take a similar image from the net as a sample. So open it and observe the picture. You can take any picture, similar picture, like a person walking or jumping or dancing or whatever. So this is a procedure how to do it. So double click on it and type, unlock it and name it as image. And next what you do is you select a rectangle. You can even take a ellipse like this. I can just move it and place it over here like this. Okay, click it and you can transform it. You can make it bigger by pressing shift. No, this some area should be visible. Generally you'll get that effect. And next what you do is you select this and you have converted this to an object and you make a copy of this. Go to the bottom, select this image and you overlay the color with white. Click on OK, and what you do is you select the top one, press Ctrl T, you make it as a border. Okay, make it as a border like this. Push it up slightly, up like this. And okay, so that you will feel the perspective here. Okay, now in the shots I have just shown a rectangle, but you can do it in a different style, so that's why I'm showing this. So now next what you do is you have both, so select both, right click, convert to a smart object, and next make a copy of it. So have two copies, like this area you have one and this area. Name this as shadow. Okay, name this as shadow and name this as frame. Okay, now next what you do is you have an image layer, you have a shadow layer, you have a frame layer. Now what you do is you just select this, hide this, go to color overlay and change that to black. Now this is black. Now you add, you just see, select this layer and next what you do is Ctrl T and right click, and here there is an option called wrap. Click on wrap, just move it like this. Just move it like this. Some effect, okay. Okay, now next what you do is in the center use the magic pointer, click on the center, select the image layer. Now selection is there, you hide it. Now we are going to copy it by pressing Ctrl J. So when you placed Ctrl J, you have placed it, and what you are going to do is you are going to move this up. Okay, you're going to move this up. So you got this image like this. Now next what you do is you will select this image, push it up, go to select, click on subject. You got this, okay, and Ctrl J. Now hide this. You have this image over here like this. Okay, now next what you do is you add a layer. Now you got this, you got the shadow. See the arrangement how it is. Now push this downwards. You don't want this. You don't want, you can delete out this. Or for some effect if you want, you can use this. Now select all the layers. Okay, if you want to move it, you can just move it, otherwise just leave as. Okay, now add a layer and just create a gradient. Okay, create a gradient, use some color. So you got this color here. Now next you want to make it somehow natural. For that what you do is on the shadow you go to filter, blur, a slight blur. Okay, has to be done. A slight blur. Just and click on OK. Now press Ctrl P and push it slightly inside. Okay. And press enter. So you get this effect. You can use a move tool, you can align it. Keep it here like this. And that's how you can just select this one. I just show you some effect. Select everything together. Or wait. Now let us deselect everything. Now this is one effect you get. This is one effect you get. And now if you want some other effect, you can just use blur option. Okay, you can use a motion blur, or you can use iris effect. Okay, now this is one effect you get. You can make this into a black and white. So that ends the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep on experimenting. Keep on watch my tutorial. You'll get, I'll feed you with lot of ideas. You can just see it. You can just practice it. Keep practicing. Okay. Best of luck. Thank you.